Yo, you are turning women off. I've wasted my life trying to make you more attractive, and you're doing it the wrong way, bro. For example, the fact that you have no self-control is alarming. As a dude, you should experience control in all aspects of life. Pornography, your lustfulness, the fact that you don't have vision, the fact that every time you lack motivation, you're not able to perform, the fact that you can't control your alcohol or your drugs. I'm not telling you all these things are bad. The fact that all these things control your life and your emotions and how you move through life, that's what's bad. That's what's turning her off. Women want men with purpose, with vision, with leadership, and if you cannot even control your own life and actions, you ain't gonna lead no one. 2, the dude that oversprays cologne. And it might be my fault. It might be my fault because I've preached to millions of guys already. Yo, put on that cologne, put on that fragrance. It makes you, yes, it does. But too many guys grabbed that one good thing and overkilled it. They decided to just splash that thing on, and now you're just a walking headache. So I'm going to help you out. 1, make sure the cologne actually smells good before you do that. 2, you only need 3 to 5 sprays. 3 on a mild day. 3 is simple. 1 on each wrist, 1 on the neck. That's it. That's a mild day. On a good day, you want to amp it up a little bit. You're going to do 1 on each side of the neck, 1 on each wrist, 1 on the back of the neck. 5 sprays. That's it. It's not only going to save your fragrance so it lasts longer, you're going to smell pleasant. And it's going to stay close to you, so when people are close to you, that's when they're going to smell it. If they don't want to smell it, they can just step out of your personal bubble, and now everybody's comfortable. That's how you want to wear your fragrance, bro. And again, make sure it's good. You already know. Don't be wearing that cheap stuff. Check out the fragrance from Santa Lucia, the one that I'm designed. Yo, my fragrance, the Dark Collection, I didn't want it to smell cheap. I didn't want it to smell like a 99-cent fragrance. Some airs, nah. Our stuff, designed in France. Best oils, Italy and France, were shipped over here. Yo, our stuff is so good, it smells niche. You can compare it to your Creed, your Tom Ford, and the crazy part is, our stuff doesn't smell. Our stuff is not a copy. So many guys like to, I'll just grab this fragrance and copy. No, I single-handedly picked every note in our fragrance, and you can go to our website and see the trailer on all 3 fragrances to see the inspiration of all 3. I single-handedly picked each scent to make you look good, to make you smell amazing in every aspect of your life. If you guys want to check out the set of 3, I'm going to have it linked down below and give you a 40% discount. And here's where I'm going to spice it up for you guys. I'm also going to give you our home diffuser for free. Bro, our home diffuser is $160. Here's the crazy part. Our home diffuser uses the same high-end oils from France. They're not any cheaper. So now your home's going to smell amazing. If you get our home diffuser, you can subscribe to every month get a new scent sent to your home diffuser. Again, the same high-end oils. So you can replace the oil every month with a new scent that you get to choose out of our 6 scents. And every month we're going to be adding new scents. That way, not only you smell good, but your home smells good. That home diffuser, $160. Today you're going to get it for free. Boys, this sale, it ain't going to last. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, the guy that is always looking elsewhere. The only area you should look at when you're talking to a girl is in her eyes. But what do most guys do? What turns her off? Oh, you're looking at her breasts now. Oh, she caught you looking at that girl that's thick. Look, yo, either learn how to use your peripherals or keep it here. You cannot be so obvious. You're out here like, you're out here drooling over another girl when you're on your date with this one girl. On top of that, there's also the dude that's just looking all over the place, looking at his watch, looking at his phone. Any dude that looks anywhere else other than her eyes, you're turning her off. Number 4. Your friends are garbage. Not only do they disrespect her in front of you, and you allow it because you think it's funny, but they're also just garbage. They're lowlives. See, your friends are a reflection of you, and if all your friends lack vision, lack purpose, are all 25, 26, 27, still live with mommy, have no career, no job, no projection for the future, what is she going to think of you? You're going to be a sum of all of them. Number 5, you got bad hygiene. Which sucks because your boy's been trying to put you on for the longest. But if you got bad breath, if you got BO, if your skin is filled with acne, it's all oily, I promise you this, you're going to turn her off. You might get 1 date, you ain't getting a second one. 6, you don't have confidence, especially when you're first getting to know her. When you first get to know a girl, you set the stage. Keep in mind, every new girl you meet has no idea who you are. They don't know your past. You can set the stage for who you want to be. If you want to be that confident man, you make the first move. You approach first. You show interest first. You lead her on. You ask her on that first date. She's gonna see the direction. She's gonna see the leadership. She's gonna see the confidence immediately. And yo, just carry it on. Even if you're not feeling it, fake it. Finally, number 7 is sexism. Look, with the rise of Andrew Tate, there's a lot of kids running around, and I was seeing TikToks about this stuff, saying, oh, girls belong in the kitchen. And the worst part, most of these kids were like in middle school and high school and stuff like that, or early college. But you forgot the second part of that message. The second part of the message is, what are you doing to even be worth that level of respect? Chances are most people that are regurgitating all that knowledge aren't even in the top 1% of men. They don't have a top 1% bank account. They are still living off of mommy's and daddy's dime and still think women belong in the kitchen. If you're not in the top 1%, you cannot demand that level of respect, because I promise you this, 2 things will happen. You will continue to blame women for all your problems. You're going to think, man, because women aren't as loyal as they used to be, I'm struggling. No, you're struggling because you're not working on yourself. And 2, no woman's going to come to you. If you're bottom of the barrel and also have the mentality as if you were a king, I promise you, you will stay single, bro.